morning, garden. Today is the best day. We're going to plant something amazing. I brought the shovel. Perfect, Leo. We need that. These are tomato seeds. Tiny little seeds that grow into big, juicy tomatoes. Whoa! I do it! I maked a hole. Yes! Great job, Leo! That's where the seed goes. Now we drop in the seed gently, gently. There! It's planted! Hello, seed! Now we tuck it in. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Night, night, seed. Seeds need water to drink, just like us. Oh, the seed is thirsty. Dink, dink. Seeds also need sunshine. Let's put it right here in the warm sun. Sunshine, like me. I like sunshine too. When it come out, plants grow slowly. We have to be patient. Percent. Okay. Sunny! Sunny! Sun! It growed! It growed! Oh, wow! It's really growing, Leo! Remember, plants need 3 things. Soil, water, and sunlight. Soil, water, sunshine. I water it. My turn. Every day we take care of it, and it will keep growing, just like you. See you tomorrow, little plant. Bye-bye. Grow big.